Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel The Wheel of Dharma. So today we will look at the religions of ancient Arabia in which ancient Arabic gods and goddesses were worshipped. But it is also important to know that Arabian mythology almost matches with Hindu mythology because the all-powerful Sitaram was probably worshipped in ancient Arabia as well. Religion in pre-Islamic Arabia included indigenous Arabian polytheism, ancient Semitic religions, Christianity, Judaism, Mandeism, and Zoroastrianism. Before the rise of Islam in the 7th century CE, Arabia was a polytheistic society with many deities and spirits, although these deities represented forces of nature, love, and death, and were worshipped at local shrines and temples. The Arabian Peninsula was the birthplace of Islam and an important trade center in ancient times, so the Arabs were originally the people of the Arabian desert, although biblical and Assyrian texts from the 9th to 5th centuries BC mention the Arabs living in Arabia, Mesopotamia, and parts of the Levant. Demolition of Arabian gods. When Muhammad's forces conquered Makkah in 630, he ordered the destruction of the pagan idols housed in the shrine and ordered it cleansed of all signs of polytheism, so the Kaaba has since been the focal point of Muslim piety. The demolition of Arabian gods began in 630 AD with the destruction of statues in the Kaaba in Makkah. Dhul Khalsa. In 632 CE, Muhammad sent Jarir ibn Abdullah al-Bajali to destroy the image of Dhul Khalsa, a cult image and temple venerated by some Arabian tribes. Raid of Sa'd ibn Zayd al-Ashhali. In January 630 AD, Sa'd ibn Zayd al-Ashhali was sent to demolish the images of gods worshipped by polytheist tribes, so Sa'd destroyed the idol of Manat, worshipped by the Alaus and Al-Khazraj tribes. Hubal. In 630 AD, Muhammad destroyed the idol of Hubal, the moon god worshipped by the Quraysh tribe in Mecca, so Muhammad used a rod to destroy the idol. Land of Arabian mythology. The Arabian Peninsula is the world's largest peninsula and is located in West Asia, while it's bordered by the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Gulf of Oman, the Levant, Mesopotamia, the Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean, so the Arabian Peninsula is the original homeland of the Arab people and the birthplace of Islam. The Arabian Peninsula, also known as Arabia, includes the following countries like Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Yemen. Arabian gods: Agal, Abirillu, Ain, Alat, Amianas, Ada, Arsu, Asira, Atarsamain, Atakama, Bajir, Dai, Dhat Anwet, Dushara, Fils, Gad, Hubal, Isaf and Naitala, Al-Qutbe, Manaf, Manat, Nuha, Nukhe, Al-Qom, Kuza, Ruda, deity, Sad, Suwa, Thienrios, Al-Ukazir, Al-Azhar, Ain, Almaka, Am, Embe, Atirat, Attar, Balo, Basamum, Dhat-Badan, Dhat-Himiam, Dhat-Sanet, Dhat-Zahran, Dhul Khalasa, Hobaz, Hakim, Hol, Nasr, Nikra, Kainan, Shams, Sin, Talab, Wad, Yagut, Yatha, Yak. Muslims worshipping whom? Besides Arabian gods, Muslims worshipping ancient Mesopotamian Quranic gods like Al-Ala, Elanu, Amuru El Shaddai, Sheher, Lucifer, Shalim, Yeshua Salam. Besides Arabian gods, Muslims worshipping ancient Egyptian gods goddesses like Israel, Isis and Rael, Amen, Ammon, Yahweh Jehovah Allah, Yah-Jehuti, Anhur, Elanu, Anat, Hubal, Baal, Atirat, Asherah. Moon, sun and three daughters. Allah, the moon god, was married to the sun goddess and together they produced three goddesses who were called the daughters of Allah. So these three goddesses were called Al-Lat, Al-Azhar, and Manat, although the daughters of Allah, along with Allah and the sun goddess, were viewed as high gods. Al-Siya, Al-Ashia, Sitarama is Chand Sitara of Islam, although Hindu god Ramchandra is moon god Allah and his wife sun goddess Sitara is Sitatra of Tuzita heaven, thus Shia Sunni worshipping sun goddess Siya Sita. Kareem Wahid and Kareem Waheguru. Sikhs believe in one God, Waheguru, who created everything, so the Gurus instruct Sikhs to meditate by chanting Waheguru to experience God and Anand, although Anand means Wah, praise, Hey, you, Guru, God. Hai equals Hey, Hey, Rabbi equals Guru, Guru. Wah, Hey Guru. Waheguru is Hai Rabbi, Saduta, belief in one God who presides over all the worlds as well as all of creation, so Hai Rabbi worshipped alone and praised as the supreme force of the universe. Hai Rabbi, Bizam al-Hay al-Azim, is god of Mandeism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, Islam, Judaism, Christianity.